Many users get error messages after installing third-party batteries in iPhones. This has caused confusion and frustration for a lot of people. To fix this issue, we offer a brand new, zero-cycle, grade A lithium cell from PolarTech. But before installing, make sure your device is updated to iOS 18.2 or above. Today, we received an iPhone 14 Pro from Mr. Chen in Perth. He's been using this phone for over 2 years and recently noticed fast battery drain while using TikTok. Let's check the battery health. Oops, only 74%. Generally, we recommend replacing the battery once it drops below 80%. Let's get started with the replacement process. First, power off the phone. Use a P2 0.8mm screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the bottom. Now use the PolarTech Magic Self-Heating Pad to heat the screen. After 10 minutes, heating is complete. Use a metal pick to create a small gap, then add a bit of alcohol to loosen the adhesive. You'll need to apply a bit of force to pry the screen up. Once there's a gap, use a plastic pick to go around and separate the glue. Using a plastic card can help prevent scratching the screen. Alcohol is essential here, it helps dissolve the adhesive. Gently slide while applying isopropyl alcohol. This way, the screen will come off without much effort. Screens are expensive, so take your time and don't rush. The Face ID components are located at the top, so avoid using isopropyl alcohol in that area. Instead, gently wiggle the screen side to side to loosen it. Lift gently from the right side to avoid damaging any flex cables. Now we remove 8 screws, all are tri-point type. Remove the metal shield. Always disconnect the battery BTB first. Then unplug the other BTBs. Be careful not to touch front camera area, or Face ID might fail. Let's set the screen aside for now. Let's start to disassemble the battery. The battery adhesive is still very strong. Use alcohol to weaken it. Slide a pick under the battery edge to allow alcohol to soak in deeper. Then gently try to pry up the battery. After a few careful attempts, it should come out in one piece. Be extra cautious during battery removal. Puncturing it could cause fire. Here's the new battery we're installing. Link in the description. It comes with pre-installed adhesive, so you don't need the old one. If the old adhesive is flat and even, there's no need to remove it. But if there are any bumps or raised areas, make sure to clean them off, otherwise, it could affect how the new battery sits. Now reconnect the screen, and finally connect the battery again. Install the pressure plate and tighten all screws. Before sealing the screen, let's run a test. Our battery supports calibration. We'll show you how to calibrate it. Go to Settings, you'll see Battery Not Recognized. It will automatically guide you to restart and complete the repair. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Click Continue. Then agree, and wait for restart. This is a fully Apple verifiable battery. After restart, check if the battery health is back to 100%. Perfect, looks brand new. Reinstall the screen and press around the edges to secure it. Don't forget the two pentalobe screws at the bottom. Use the PolarTech heating pad again to reseal the screen for 20 minutes. Now Mr. Chen can scroll TikTok without battery anxiety. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe.